Hi, it's Sam Manor from Little's Child Restraints. We're down at Preston's and we're doing some work for Dyna World, and they've got a 2024 VW Caddy. Now with a VW Caddy, this is not a 5-seater, it's only a 2-seater, and obviously they're using this for their rep down in Melbourne. So he's got a kid and we need to get a child seat in the front. And so what we had to install was a Child Restraint Anchorage Bar, what we call a CRA-Bar. So you can have a look in the back here. You see the bar here, it had to be latched to the top here also, and you can see across the other side, and there's the anchor point just in here, so that'll go through. Here's the challenge though. The challenge is that there is glass, so it's not perspex, and so because it's not perspex, the challenge is getting through it. So what we decided to do, and we can't cut through this glass, so if you've got a Caddy, the 2024, this is glass, this is hardened glass, so the moment you try and remove it, it's going to probably shatter. And so we've already inquired about it. So what they decided to do, we're going to remove the glass and we're going to replace it with perspex, so they can actually cut a hole through here, and it has to have a direct route from the top of the seat to the actual anchor point. And as you can see, if I bring the camera back here, you can see that's a direct route there, and that's what we need. And so getting that all done, that's an expense that you have to lay out, but it's doable. Getting an anchor point in here, just have to change a few things. Anyway, I'm Sam, I hope this has been helpful, and we'll catch you on the next video.